Hello students, let us move towards the lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Now, what is mean by LCM? So, in LCM, the word comes lowest common multiple, and the here multiple means, in short, you have to remember, you need to write the tables of that number. Okay, you need to write the tables of that number. So, here in textbook page number 49, now I know is given to you, that you will write first. To find the LCM of the given numbers, we write down the multiples of each of the given numbers and find the lowest of their common multiple. See here, lowest of their common multiple. Let's see one example. Find the LCM of 13 and 6. Or let's find the, okay, I will take that example. Find the LCM of, find the LCM of 13 and 6. Okay, example. Now see, in this example, what you have to write the first table of 13, means 13 times table. 13 times table. 13 times table means what? Need to write the table of 13. So students, to find the LCM, it must means compulsory, your table should be learned at least up to 20. So always I used to tell you, learn tables at home. Every day at least one table you need to learn. Now here you have to write the 13 table. So you should know the 13 table. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, and so on. You write this table: 65, 78, then 91, then 4 7s are 144, 108s are 104, 9s are 117, and 10s are 130. Also you can postpone this table. Yes, if I go on adding 13, you will get the next table, because students, sometimes we need to postpone the table also. Okay, if you will not find any common multiple, then let's see here, 6 times table. Next is the 6 times table, means table of 6 we have to find. Now what is the table of 6? Everyone knows this: 6, 12, 18, 54, then 60. Okay, also you can postpone this table. Okay, after this, here we see no common multiples. Is there any common multiple in this? Common multiple means any common number is there among these two? Is there? See, 13 is there? No. 26? No. 39? No. Any number is there which comes in both the tables here? No. So what happens? Sometimes, I just told you, we need to extend the table. Now I need to extend this table of 13. So what I have to do? I have to add 13 in each number. Means here 130, we know the table up to 10. 13 10s are 130. Now next table how to write? Add, every time add this 13 in that number. So 130 plus 13 will get the 143. 143 plus 13 will get the 156. Is there any common multiple still? No. So here also I need to find the, I need to postpone, or I need to extend the table of 6. So what I do? I have to add 6 each time. 60 plus 6, 66. 66 plus 6, 72. 72 plus 6, 78. 78 plus 6, 84. And just so on. Now, is there any common multiple? Did you find? See, I found one common multiple. Common number is there, which is that 78. 78. So here, when we extend the tables, then we got the common number, or we say common multiple. So in this common multiple or common multiples of 13 and 6, this is and, okay, is we got 78. You can get more also, okay, it's not simply one, you can get more numbers as a common multiple also, but here we found when we extend the table, then we found at least one common multiple, that is 78. Otherwise there were no common numbers in this. So what I did, I extend the table, so I got 78. Now at least one common multiple we should get, because we need lowest common multiple. So which will be the first common multiple? That will be their LCM. So LCM is 78. So LCM of 13 and 6 is 78. That means this 78 comes in the table of 13 also and in the table of 6 also. Okay, multiple. Don't be confused in HCF and LCM. In HCF, we found the factors of that number, and in LCM, we find the multiples of that number. Okay, this is the difference in HCF and LCM. So this example, copy it in your notebook. Thank you.